So if you're planning a July 4th party for anyone outside of your household, you do so at your own risk, and perhaps at the risk of those you invited.
Law enforcement is focused on enforcing the county health orders in public places this holiday, but even gatherings at homes are prohibited. And as NBC 7's Dave Summers tells us, violators can face criminal charges.
Thinking about a party this weekend? Well, the idea of a backyard barbecue with friends constituting a criminal act may be hard to swallow. Still, according to state criminal codes, health code violators could face jail time and a fine.
Who's the lunch committee?
We've seen the shutdown notices served at some San Diego County restaurants for violating the public health order, but could deputies or police come knocking at your door next?
And there should be teeth behind persons who flaunt this and create an undue risk for others.
Criminal defense attorney Marc Kohnen says large parties over the July 4th weekend will attract attention and likely an uptick in citations.
It's punishable by up to 90 days in jail and a fine of $1,000.
San Diego County's current health order states stay at home except to take care of essential needs, go to an essential job, go to reopen businesses, or go out for exercise. Kohnen says if law enforcement sees an obvious violation, such as a large gathering, even at a private home, they're obligated to act.
It's such a serious risk that it's understandable that, in these times you've got to take precautions.
While it's not yet been litigated, Kohnen says partygoers could even sue their host if it was proven they contracted coronavirus at such a gathering.
Theoretically, you could, under the social host theory, that likewise has created civil liability for parents who host parties and allow kids to drink irresponsibly.
Traditional 4th of July parties are out this year. If you're tempted, take some advice from a lawyer.
The temporary loss of being able to gather with others is not worth the harm it could cause.
Kohnen says health order violations are misdemeanors, not crimes that rise to the level of law enforcement coming in your house without a warrant. They can't get inside your home without your permission. In Claremont, Dave Summers, NBC 7.
NBC 7 reached out to both local law enforcement and the county, and while there will be a greater police presence over the holiday weekend, we did not get specific answers to questions regarding enforcement on private property.